Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys and welcome to the last door to open on the advent calendar, which means tomorrow is Christmas. Let's open up door number 4. It is the Christmas Eve door. It's got a heart on it, and inside there is a snowflake to build. An icy, shiny snowflake. All right, let's do this. Well, this is bittersweet because it's the last one. But that's okay, because it's tomorrow's Christmas. Let's build it. So lots and lots of blue sparkles here. Got our blue icy snowflake, and we're putting these crystals on the opposite way to what I would have expected to use them. In fact, I didn't even realize that they had a hole in the top. So I'm going to remember that, because that is really a useful thing to know. Okay, and it's super easy. We're just doing exactly the same thing on each of the points, and in the end, we get a stunning, sparkly, icy blue snowflake. You know what? I might see if I can put this on my Too Much Christmas build somewhere. Maybe I could put it up here in the middle where I put the yellow. Actually, no. I think that that's too much. So maybe I could just put it up here. Oh, look at that. That's it. We're all done. I'm so sad, but I'm so happy. Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a wonderful day tomorrow. A lovely, peaceful, happy day with your family. And I will see you again after Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Bye.